Hello, we are now having a look at the 2007 Oyster 655 Roulette, coming on via the transom steps, large wide aft deck. She's here with us at Berthon in Lymington, and she is just being prepared for sail. As you can see, she's got lovely gin and tonic seats on either side of the transom, nice big wide side decks, G5 windows, and nice easy deck layout forward. The chocks on deck are to take a rib if that's what you would like to do. Easy anchoring and looking very smart. This yacht was actually custom built for this owner, and she has a nice carbon rig with a Park Avenue boom, fully battened mainsail. She was also built for speed, so she has foam core bulkheads and was built with performance in mind. She really does sail like a rocket. The owner wanted to be sure that he was always going to put in good results and fast passage times. And then you've got this nice wide walk-through, twin carbon wheels, of course, and then through into the cockpit. The panels are all carbon, and you control the yacht from the pedestals when you're at sea. Marine equipment. She's got this lovely seating area for dining, passage making and so forth. Nice big teak varnish cockpit table with twin leaves that you can put down if you're sailing and you don't want to eat. Of course, the table is also refrigerated, and indeed there has been left enough beer and the like for a very good passage. So there we are, that's both sides refrigerated. The spray hood is off, and you've got that lovely clear view forward. Down into the main interior, which is maple. This yacht is just a bit special because the owner had a lot of input into the interior finishes. She's got this great blue leather upholstery, white corian. All of the fittings are custom and they're polished stainless steel, and they really do look the business. We're now in the Galley, which is a really great area for working and cooking from. Big refrigeration here, microwave, good lighting, good ventilation. You can see you've got stainless steel splashbacks. More refrigeration, sadly nothing to drink in that one. Double sink, as you would expect. And yet another fridge here, so keeping the tonic cold is a serious possibility. It is important to have enough refrigeration if you're going to go blue water. Then the floors have been refinished and are looking lovely. The table will swing over so that you can have lots of people to dinner. If you look at the bar, you can see the polished stainless steel there. Great area. And here we're going to have a look in this flap. Actually, beneath is the workings of a flat screen TV, which is on a lift. So a really lovely space to spend time, full of light and air, with teak steps coming down. We now are in the navigation area. Look at that very funky chair. Brushed stainless steel control panels. You can see that she's hull 4 of the 655 sisterhood. This is all very current. Electronics, she's got comms, of course, and a very smart barograph in a stainless steel case. Raymarine there. And then you have upper and lower berth cabin. Which is actually quite spacious. See the step on the bottom rung so that you can get to the upper berth cabin. And then you turn around and here is the engine room. She's got a Perkins 178 horse. It's all just been shut down, generator forward. Bulk of the services are in this area, and there's also good storage to put oils and all that sort of stuff. And that's now shut again. We're walking aft into the owner's cabin. You can see we've got greenhouse heaters fitted just to keep her dry and snug. On the starboard side, a desk, good seating area, and then you go up and there's a ladder out, so there's an owner's access onto the back deck, which is absolutely great. Big double cabin, double berth, and a seating also on the port side. Loads of storage, flat screen TV. Nice big heads compartment, all looking very fresh. More nice stainless steel, separated shower stall. All very nicely done. And smart lighting in here as well. Now we go back through the corridor that separates the owner's cabin and the upper and lower berth cabin, and we are back into the main saloon. And then we're going to take a step down, walk past that carbon rig, and go into the guest cabin, which is a double on the starboard side. Nice double cabin, again, loads of light and air, lots of room for storage. Have a look at the stainless steel grille that you've just seen there for the air conditioning. Those are all custom made and are super funky. All cabins have separated entertainment. And then you're into the ensuite for the main guest cabin. Nice lighting in the deck head. Lots of nice stainless steel and space. Very comfortable place to spend some time, I would say. And then on the port side is the crew cabin, upper and lower berth cabin. You see she's got dark blue cockpit cushions on the lower bunk. Again, nice amount of storage, good place to be. And there you can see these very funky grills. And you've got access into the heads compartment for them, but there is a second door, so this can also double as a day ahead should you wish. And here is the separated shower stall. So there we go, and we're back out into the corridor. We're going to have another look here, and there's a dehumidifier here. Obviously, it's getting chillier in the UK, and we want to make sure the boat is properly preserved for the winter. And we're back out into the corridor and back up into the main saloon. And there we go. A very comfortable, fast, and well-organised cruising yacht that is very for sale. Roulette, Oyster 655, Hull 4.